Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by linking accounts and confirming connectivity. First, sign into YouTube Music and confirm it's active. YouTube Music works best with Premium. Once done, open the Alexa app and sign into the Amazon account paired with your Echo. Make sure your phone and Echo are on the same Wi-Fi. Connectivity prevents pairing issues. Now go to the app settings so you can add a new music service. This gets you ready to add YouTube Music as a skill and set default playback. Next, you'll link YouTube Music inside Alexa. In the app, go to More, then Settings, then Music and Podcasts. Choose to add a new service. Once you find YouTube Music, tap Link or Enable and sign into your Google account to authorize Alexa to access your library and subscriptions. Make sure you accept all permission prompts so Alexa can play your playlists and liked songs. After linking, return to Music Settings to verify YouTube Music shows as available and ready to be set as. Finally, make YouTube Music your default so you don't need to name the service in every request. In Music Settings, choose Default Services and select YouTube Music for music and artist radio. Then test a few commands. Ask Alexa to play a playlist, a station, and a liked song. If playback fails, relink the account and the skill, reboot your Echo, and confirm your Google account permissions and YouTube Music subscription are valid. This one troubleshooting step, relink and restart, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.